I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. If you've been injured in a car crash in Iowa, you may assume that your insurance company is on your side and will do what is necessary to protect you. That may not be the case, especially if you are forced to make a claim against your insurance company after you've been injured in a car accident. Now, why would that be necessary? If the driver who caused the crash had no insurance or not enough insurance to cover your harms and losses, then you will need to make a claim through the uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage from your own auto insurance policy. Remember, every insurance company is a business, and businesses like to make and keep their money. Even if you're a good customer and have faithfully paid your premiums for years, it will not matter to your auto insurance company when you ask it to write a check to you. Be prepared for your own insurance company to look for reasons to pay you less than you deserve. There are a couple of ways that you can make sure that your own auto insurance company offers a fair settlement for your injuries. Number one, prove the extent of your car crash injuries through medical records. Even your own auto insurance company is unlikely to believe you when you tell them how injured you are after a crash. They will want solid proof of your injuries. Documenting your injuries through medical records is the best way to get them that proof. That is why we tell you to see a doctor as soon as possible after a car accident. Take an ambulance from the scene of the crash if it's available. Otherwise, make an appointment to see a doctor about your crash-related injuries as soon as you can. After your injuries have been evaluated, keep getting treatment until you are either healed or until the doctor says that you are as good as you're going to get. This treatment will be documented in your medical records and should provide solid evidence of the injuries that you've suffered. Number two, hire an experienced Iowa car accident lawyer to protect your rights. While not every car crash requires an attorney, some do. If you have been seriously injured in a car accident, it's likely that you will need an attorney to protect your rights and get you a fair settlement. There are a few ways that an attorney can help. For example, your insurance policy may say that you are required to give a recorded statement after a crash. If so, we recommend that you do so only after consulting with an experienced Iowa car accident lawyer. You have the right to have a lawyer present during this interview, and you should exercise that right. An experienced attorney will protect you from improper questions and answers which may come back to haunt you. While your recorded statement is being taken, make sure to answer any questions truthfully, but don't offer any information that they're not asking for. If you can't recall specific details, it is better to admit that you don't know rather than to say something that isn't completely accurate. If you have more questions on how an experienced Iowa car accident lawyer can help you, fill out the form on the right to download a free copy of the Law Guide to Iowa Car Accident Claims.